Hey guys, welcome to the video. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to tell you about a application which can help you to increase your confidence level and increase your skill, brush up your skills, and reduce your hesitation. So without any delay, let's start the video. So guys, if you are searching any application which can help you to increase your confidence level, increase your speaking skill, pronunciation skills, so I have applications which you are searching for. So the application link is in description, and I've talked the applications, so I've just put the example which I talked before. So please listen that audio which I'll put ahead and use that applications for your skills and tell me your experience after that.
Hello.
Hello,
Yeah, how are you, bro?
I'm good. I'm good. And how are you, bro?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Where are you from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. That's very good. I'm from India. I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay. What we do, bro?
By the way, I'm a student right now and I'm doing my graduation right now. So,
Okay.
yeah, it's my first year. I'm doing my BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Oh, nice.
So,
Okay.
how about you?
I complete my graduation. Presently, I'm working in a small company, accounting. My roles and responsibilities are accounting.
Oh,
Do
that's
you know
great.
accounts?
Yeah, I heard about the account, and I think
Yeah.
people who have done accountant, so I think they'll get the in bank jobs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you complete your lunch?
Yeah, I have taken my lunch just
Okay.
yeah, just a couple minutes ago. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why are you choose this application?
Actually, I saw this applications ads on YouTube, so I was thinking that I should use this application. So yeah, I downloaded it, and yeah, I think it is becoming useful for me. Cause
Okay.
sometimes yeah, I do connect a lot of good peoples who are in good in English, who have good knowledge to speak how to speak English. So that's why this application is good, I think.
Okay.
So what about you? What about your experience?
Yes, me just improve my skills, but I don't improve my skills this year. So many people.
So this application I have downloaded from Play Store. You can search on Play Store open talk application. So you can see the applications on Play Store there. You can download it easily. It is fully free applications, and you can download it and you can use it freely. There's no cost charges which you have to pay, just free application, and you can practice your English speaking, and you can brush up your confident level, you can develop your English pronunciation skills, and a lot of things you can do. So let's download the application and start your English speaking skills. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.